Hello guys, welcome to Byte by Boss YouTube channel. Today's our problem is Pascal triangle. This is our problem. In this problem, you can observe there is a pattern. Initially, the first position of this Pascal triangle will be 1, and the starting position and ending positions of the Pascal triangle will be also 1. You can observe here from this diagram. This position and this position all are ones. Here we observe a pattern. When we add these adjacent elements, we will get this 1 plus 1, we got 2. Same like this, 1 plus 2, we got 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Same like this, 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. So in this way we got. So this is our problem. To find these values of this Pascal triangle, how can we do that? There is a formula, combination formula. We can easily find the any value at any particular position. You can take the this all the rows and these are all the columns. If you want to get a particular value at this position, if I want to get, and I can note down the position, it's a fourth row and second column. I can take it simply as 4c2. 4c2. I will apply the combination formula here, 4 factorial by 2 into 4 minus 2. After doing all the calculation, I will get the 6 is the answer at this position. Same as this we can do for finding another positions like any particular value. Whenever if we want to find them all rows, if the question is states like, I will show the question. In this question, it's the input was 5. It means we have to print the 5 rows from initial to ending position. How can we find at this position? So for finding each position value like this, it will take more time complexity. So I will send a pattern from by using that you can easily build the code logic. So this is the pattern. First we take fourth row as we will print. You can observe 4c1, 4c2, 4c3 initially if you want to find. At 4c0 already the answer will be 1. So 4c1 will be 4 factorial by 4 minus 1, 3 factorial. So 3 factorial. 1 factorial is nothing but 1. So 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. After doing all the cancellation, we get 4 by 1 and the answer is 4. Same like this for this. 4, 3, 2. 4 factorial is nothing but 4. 3 into 2 into 1. 2 is 4 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 2 into 1, 2 into 1. Here you can observe 4 into 3, 1 into 2. After doing all the like cancellations. Same for this also, for this also. After doing all this, you can observe a pattern like, here we got 4 and 1. And later we got 3 and 2. And I used it this previous, I got 4 1 and also 3 2 extra. Same like this, 4 3 2 and 1 2 3. There is a pattern like upper the numerator is like decreasing and the denominator is increasing. You can observe here is the column value is like 1. At that position there is one number in numerator and one number in denominator. Same for this, here it is 2 and there is 2 numbers at numerator and 2 numbers in denominator, and the numerator is always decreasing, like it's going as descending order. So our row is 4, so this is 4. So from 4 it is starting 4 into 3 and the column is like 1 2. In this way it is starting from 1. Same for this 4 3 2, like 3 columns. So there will be 3 columns like this, and 4 3 2 1 2 3, 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 1. So this is the pattern we can observe. So by observing this pattern we can simply build a logic. We can we can finding for every each element each position by doing this, applying this formula. Instead of that we can simply like we can use the previous value. For finding this position we got 4 by 1. We will use this for this position, and extra we will add 3 and 2. And same for this, we will use this for to find this solution. Extra we will add 2 3, and same for here. This is my code. You can observe we should print answer in a 2-dimensional array. That's why I taken a 2-dimensional array as a new answer. After that I took a subarray. At the top level of the Pascal triangle, the at starting it will be 1, so I added 1, and my loop runs from rows. This is rows is starting from 1. You can observe here, and it is column is starting from 0. Now I will explain logic here. Here you can observe answer is equals to 1. I main is j. Let's take 4 as our row and column is 0 1 2 3 starting. So 4 minus 0 initially answer 1 into 4, it will become 4. After that I am dividing j plus 1. 0 plus 1, it will be 1. You can observe here it's 4 by 1, that which I did here. Later I am storing this 4 by 1 in my answer, and I am adding my sub array in sub array that 4 by 1, 4 in sub array. So I will get at that particular position 4, and later I am using this. After that again I am doing, now my column will become 1, so this r will become r, 4 minus 1, so I am multiplying 3 here, so 4 minus 1 will be 3, I minus j 3, and j plus 1 will be 1 plus 1, it will become 2. So again 3 by 2, I am multiplying with 3 and dividing with by 2, this with this answer. Same here also goes, 4 3 1 2, this answer until this my answer will store up to here. Now again I am doing I minus j, 4 minus 2 will become 2, and j plus 1, 2 plus 1 become 3. Same way, in this way if we do, in the initially it will store all the answers in my subarray at last until this new answer, and one row will be completed. Again for loop will run, and again it goes here, and it will repeat the same process. This is the answer. Let's see how it works. It will run all that. Yes, it's running. I will submit.